You're going to want to watch this video. If you have stress or anxiety in your life and you get to the point where you feel like you just can't take it anymore, this 3-minute process is going to help you. I promise. Just have a listen. Okay. First, I'm going to share with you why this is going to help. It's scientific. We're going to use what's called the vagus nerve to unhook you from the fight or flight. And we're going to put you in what's called a parasympathetic nervous system reset. And we're going to do this with your eyes and with your breath. So simple. Just have a listen. And before I do that, before I teach you the process, subscribe and like to the video below. It really helps my channel. And it helps me get out this message of zeroing out to as many people as I can. Share it with your friends. Okay, here we go. So you're going to close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, I'm going to open my eyes so you can see I'm going to move my eyes all the way in one direction. And I'm going to hold them there. And because my eyes are closed, I don't have to worry about blinking. I can keep that gaze there. That allows the vagus nerve to become engaged. Then you take a deep breath and you exhale all the breath through your mouth. Keep your gaze in that one direction. Hold both eyes in that space. And then feel like what I like try to do is I imagine that I'm underwater and I'm sure you've felt this before, like you dove too deep into the water. You're just you need to breathe really, really badly, but you know you can't breathe until you get out of the water into the sunshine. That's the feeling you want to do. You want to wait until your body absolutely has to breathe. That's what engages the reset of the nervous system. And when that happens, you go, breathe in and then exhale. Let your gaze come center and just wait for the next breath. Then you're going to move your eyes in the opposite direction. Keep them there with your eyes closed. Again, same thing. Take a deep breath. And this time, try to hold your breath even longer. Exhale all the air and wait. Think about swimming upward, seeing the sun. You know it's going to happen. Wait, 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 wait until you absolutely have to breathe and then breathe. And then as you exhale, you feel like you're just letting the light that you just experienced go all the way through your body. Then just stand still or sit still for a couple moments and let your breath breathe you. Don't engage your brain or your mind to try to control the breath. Just wait for it. And in that space, you become the observer of your body, the observer of the chaos that you were feeling. And in that space, now, the mind controls the ego. Before, when you were in chaos, your ego was controlling your mind. And that's the wrong position. The mind, the place where we're connected to spirit, has to control the body. I hope this helped. And remember, if you like this video and you subscribe, you'll get more videos like this. Have a beautiful day.